Hi everyone.
Woof.
Hello people of the internet. I'm doing that thing that I hate when I see YouTubers do it. I'm doing a haul again, except this is a Depop unboxing haul. And I hate when YouTubers do like hauls back to back. I mean, they're not like back to back, but they're in pretty close proximity. And I'm like, I've been wanting to do one of these for a while, but I'm kind of impatient. I'm like, how do people wait? And so these are things that I got in the last like month or two. Let's check. 5 weeks. In the last 5 weeks. So yeah, like in the last month. Most of the stuff is from Depop. There's like 1 or 2 things from Etsy. Oh, I'm also treating this as like an early birthday gift to myself because my birthday, as I'm filming this, is literally a week from today. So this is like, but when you watch this, my birthday would have already passed. Like, wow. So I'm just gonna get started. Oh, I don't even have scissors. These scissors, my tiny scissors, I was going to grab large scissors, but I didn't. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to do smallest to largest package, not like item. So excited. I'm like, I remember what everything is, but I don't remember which is which. I also hope I don't like cut something, because I saw a Depop unboxing video where someone did that. They like cut a shirt and I was like, oh my god, I'm missing a nail. I forgot to glue it back on. You don't care. So I have some small items. I know what this one is. These are earrings. I think they're like banana earrings. I got these from an Etsy shop called Veg Dej. I love this tiny package. Oh, I love this little package. Oh my god. These are so cute. I don't know if you could see. I will definitely insert a side by side or something because these are so gorgeous. Handmade in Quebec. These are bananas. They're so cool. See, I used to like be really into handmade earrings, but then I was like, they're all kind of plain. These are amazing. This specific seller has some really cool earrings, but I really wanted the banana ones because I'm kind of like, I forgot this was back here. I want bananas to be like my thing. Like, you know how some like people have like their thing and people always buy them gifts that are of that thing. Like my mom's is pigs. She loves pigs figurines with like wings on them specifically. I don't think I have one. I think I'm a very difficult person to shop for. Thank you so much for your lovely order. Your support means the world to me. I hope you love your little earrings. Have a great day. I'm obsessed. I'm literally going to follow them on Instagram. The next one, this is either a necklace or rings. What the hell? Thank you for purchasing Sunbliss beads. Oh, it is the necklace. It's a beaded necklace. It's just like a beaded choker necklace that says Virgo. Should I put it on right now? I like it. Every time I see these beaded necklaces, I'm like, I can make that myself. But like some of them I can't because I literally am looking at my beads right now. I asked for it to be a little longer or bigger because I didn't want to feel like I was suffocating, but I guess I should have asked bigger. This I know is little rings, which I'm kind of, they were like a mystery wire rings. I don't know why they sent it in like a full-on package. Kind of made me upset. I got these off Etsy. Okay. They're fun. It's fun. It's fun. This one's like a purple. They're just beads. I thought they were be like crystals, but this one's kind of like a turquoise. This is fun. I just start wearing them. It's like Christmas whenever you like just put the stuff that you got for Christmas on. I used to do that as a kid all the time. This could be anything. Oh, why is it in a why was it wrapped in a Kroger bag? This is a bra. It is a bra. I did get a bra because I love like mesh bras with underwire. That's I will only wear those. The straps are so skinny. And I really like the Free People ones. I have like one or two. Yeah, because I'm like, bras are like expensive. This is new tags. It was originally $38. I would never pay that much for something like this. That's why I only paid like $15 or $10. Next. Let's read the card first. I love when they put cards. I love getting letters and mail and cards. Thanks for your purchase. Hope you love the top. It says tap. Feel free to come back and get $1 off any purchase of 10 or more. This is so fun. But look at this. This is so fun. It's like those groovy tops that people were wearing, but it's also like a popcorn top, and I never had a popcorn top. And it's so me. This is also like $15, I feel like, on Depop. That's like the price. Like $15 is the good price. Everything is like $15, quite honestly. Like, I think I got this bra for $15. I got this top for $15. I got most of the stuff for $15. And I feel like I list a bunch of stuff at that price. It's kind of like the, it's a decent price. Let's see what this is. I'm going to cry. This is like one of my dream dresses. I know I ordered it, but I didn't know this is what it would be when I was like opening it. So this dress is from Urban Outfitters. I saw it on their website and I was like, this is so cute. I'm gonna wait for it to go on sale or something, or wait for like my birthday, so I could get my 20% off. But it sold out. And people were like all over Depop trying to sell it for like, this is originally $70. People were trying to sell it for like $80 or something. And I was like, no. I literally found it on Depop it wasn't under the name of the dress, which is called the Urban Outfitters Tia dress. It was under Urban Outfitters picnic dress. I literally just looked up picnic dress because I love like picnics and that aesthetic. Bought this for like $60 with shipping included, which I think is such a steal. I'm really so happy. I'm so happy. Next. So scared. I'm just gonna rip this one open. Thank you so much for your patience, and thank you for being my first customer. So this person, I was their first customer, which I honestly feel like if you're someone's first customer, you could like, what is it called? You could haggle maybe a little lower. I think I haggled the price on this. So these pants are also from Urban Outfitters. They're these like velour flared corduroy kind of pants in like a rust burnt orange color. I love this color, and I used to have pants in this color, but they were kind of short on me, and I've been wanting like pants like this again. So yeah. So I got these, and I wanted these also from Urban Outfitters, but I was like, let me just get it on Depop. I've noticed a lot of the times I'll get like fast fashion, well-known brands on Depop, like Urban Outfitters. But yeah, just because I know how it will fit me. This one I know is from Etsy. So this is from I guess like a brand of Etsy I've ordered from before. The clips that I used to clip up my hair, I got them from them in a set. But look at these clips. I needed bigger clips because my hair is getting longer. And I thought these would be great. And they're all neutral. I'm not usually a fan of neutrals, but these are fun, right? They look delicious. You can't see. They look delicious. What is this? So this is just like a black crochet top. I've literally been wanting one of these for so long. Fabric. I also got this for like $15. It smells kind of like an old lady. Some of these are kind of like more fall because I forgot that like it still gets hot and it's still summer-y in fall. I mean, summery here. I mean, right now we have a tropical storm. Now I'm like, I should have gotten like rain boots. Next, I know exactly what these are, and I'm so excited for these. I hope they these Harley Davidson jeans. Uh-oh, I hope these fit. I hope these fit. I think these might fit. They are very thick denim, which I kind of like. The last item, which is in this giant box, I don't know why. I also have another item coming in. Probably by the time I'm editing this, it will come in and I could show it. Sparkly jelly shoes, because I used to have jelly shoes and I was in love with them, but they literally broke. Like, they literally ripped because I wore them to death. I wore them hiking many times, and that's actually how they ripped, because I wore them hiking. And I always tell people, yeah, I wore heels hiking one time. They were the jelly shoes, the heels in question. But it's a fun story to tell. So I have sparkly ones coming in because I didn't want black ones because I have too many black shoes. That's not what's in here. I don't know why it's in such a large box. Maybe they sent me something else. It smells like paint. I'm like really big on scents. Like, I love smelling just everything. I literally pick up every item and I'm like, so strange. These smell, oh Jesus, ew, ew, ew. They're covered in fur and they smell perfumey. These pants are linen pants from Old Navy. And I literally, not kidding, tried these on at the Old Navy store and I wanted to get them and I was like, $32. $32. Ma'am, I don't want to pay $32 for some old lady pants, no offense. I was like, linen pants will be great because it will be hot and they'll be super breathable and super chill. I'm so excited for all of these items. Depop is a great site and an app where you could sell your clothing. This isn't an ad. However, one time Depop did DM me and they were like, hey, want to be part of our VIP program? And I thought like I was getting sponsored or something, but they were like, no, we just might feature you on the feature page. And I was like, okay. Yeah, you could check out the items on my Depop if you want. I do color of the week sales on there. Yeah, I think I have some great items and I need to upload more. Follow me on Depop to see what I'm selling and to see what I'm liking. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. I literally can feel the fur from those pants in my throat. Be kind and rewind. I don't know. What's a quirky intro? I mean, outro. Bye.